Hi, today in this segment we're going to do the dumbbell bent over row. So we're going to have two dumbbells, of course equal weight. We're going to pick up our dumbbells, stand with our feet hip or shoulder width apart, soft knees, hinge forward from the hips. Both hands are below us with the knuckles facing forward. Push your chest forward to keep the back flat. That's the biggest safety issue on here. We're gonna pull the arms past, the elbows past the back, squeezing the shoulder blades together and pausing. And then full stretch down, making sure to keep your chest up. And again, tailbone to the ceiling, nice flat back. As you pull up, that's when we exhale. Full extension down, chest is still forward, pull and exhale. We don't want any bouncing, no bouncing. If you get the urge to bounce, push your heels into the floor. That's just gonna help stabilize you. There we go. And always slow and controlled. One more rep. And up, and we end that rep on the extension down. Set the dumbbells down, and that's the bent over dumbbell row.